Okay, now we're gonna do a second coding session of the introduction, and this is gonna be on the Reuters dataset. We have a complete brief in video 90 because we looked at this dataset when we dealt with logistic regression. The easy thing is that this dataset comes with Keras, and I have good confidence that we will be able to reuse a lot of the code that we did, that we used for the IMDb coding exercise. Just a quick reminder, what is the Reuters dataset? Well, it's a whole bunch of news wires that you need to categorize in 46 categories. For example, politics, sports, and so on. So this is, a multi-class problem. Multi-class classification. And the accuracy score we had for logistic regression was barely 80%. So we're gonna see if we can do better with the dense neural networks. We will use here as well 3 layers. We will have a ReLU layer with 64 units, then another ReLU layer with 64 units, and then we will use a softmax layer. And softmax will have 46 outcomes or potential outcomes. So you will see a probability distribution with respect to these 46 classes. Alright, so let's see how the dense network is doing. So let me just put here that it is a dense network. A dense network or a fully connected network.